Good morning, 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 good morning. Yeah, if you know, you know. What's on my mind immediately? When I see a veteran plate on a vehicle, well, that just tells me be careful around these people. Even though they have served to defend our country and way of life, etc., etc., doesn't mean they've remained good drivers. No, they have not. Gave the Duke an oil change today. Took about 2 hours because I like to make damn sure I do things right. I made a few mistakes last time, and then I decided to save myself the hassle and pay for an oil change after that. Anybody know what a oil change on a KTM Duke 390 would cost you? Anybody? Any guesses? Come on. Oh, at least $200. Yep. $200. You need 1.8 liters of engine oil. It's got to be fully synthetic. So that's a little expensive. It's not bad. 90. Well, actually, what did I pay for mine? I got 4 liters of this stuff off Amazon. I think I paid $75. Not sure. Then you have to buy an oil change kit. Yes. What's in the kit? Well, the kit has the oil filter and 2 screens. So there's 2 drain plugs on a KTM Duke, and attached to those, well, attached to one oil drain plug is it's like a tube about the length of your finger, and it's mesh. And then on the main drain plug, you pull the plug out, and then inside is another mesh filter, and again, same size, about size of your finger. So you got to pull all these out and replace them. Now, you don't necessarily have to replace them. Just check the seal, check the O-ring, make sure that's cool, and then just clean them off and put them back in. They're in there to catch any sort of metal shavings, debris, whatever, and keep it from floating around inside your engine. So that kit, it's about, shit, I'm not sure, $40 US. So there's your cost. So what, you're up to about $150 for the oil and the filter kit with the filtration sticks, whatever you want to call them. And then add labor. So yeah, it's expensive. It's expensive. So this round, I just bought the oil myself, and I just bought the oil filter, because that is what you should definitely clean. And then the screens I just took out, examined them for any wear or damage, and give them a little clean, and I put them back in. They seem to be doing okay. So there you go. That's what I did this morning, oil change. And on these particular motorcycles, because it's a single cylinder and not a 4-stroke or a V-twin or a boxer, a Boxer's, it's a 2-stroke BMW. Anyways, they burn a little hotter and they wear through the oil a little faster. So you can tell right away when you're in need of an oil change. This time I put 1550 in there. Now, if you don't know oil, 15 is basically sort of like the average, or the average operating temperature that you're going to have it on, 15 degrees. And then as high as 50. So last time it was a different weight. It was something like, I don't know, 1240. I'm not 100% sure. I wanted to have hotter oil in here because this thing, like I said, it runs hot, and we are going to be getting a super hot summer, apparently. Don't quote me on that. So I put hotter oil in here. Oh, BMW Club, anyone? And full synthetic. Oddly enough, I went to put in my full synthetic, and what I do is I measure it out in a measuring cup, and then I add it in slowly while the bike is upright. And it was red. And I'm like, okay, let's double check this isn't fucking brake fluid or transmission fluid. No, it's oil. And so I'm always skeptical of my knowledge. I'm a big doubter because I don't want to fuck this up. So I put old Google to work. Should my synthetic engine oil be red? Yes, it should be. Whew. Okay. So yes, he's still with me. Isn't this a fantastic dialogue about oil changes and motorcycles? I should be out on my bicycle. Yeah, maybe later. Okay, what am I doing besides going for a rip? I am headed towards, I think, Abbotsford. I think. How much gas do I got? Yes, I'm going to Abbotsford. Just give it a bit of warm. Oh shit, I wanted to go up Majuba. Ah, rat's ass. Oh well. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for a cruise. Linda is on her way home, so that means she'll be home sometime before 3 o'clock. Went out for a couple of beers with the co-workers, the beer gang. Aw, you see a squirrel? See the school zone I'm in? There's a school right here behind this little forest. I park here with my bike. I bring my bike here and I park here. It's awesome. And then I ride the Sumas Flats. Now I only ride the Sumas Flats these days on my new to me triathlon bike because there's a dead skunk somewhere. Because yeah, otherwise it's a boring, dull route, place to ride. When I'm on the tri-bike, and this is what a couple people don't get because they're dumb. One of the reasons I bought a tri-bike is to mix up my workout routine. So when I'm on the tri-bike, man, that's not for pleasure. That's just straight up going for a rip, put your head down, crank out the miles, and do some different workouts. That's it. I don't know why it's so hard for people to understand that. Probably because they're dumb. I am still trying to figure out how I can minimize wind noise in this helmet. And I just don't know how I can do that. Right now, what I've done is I've taken a neck gaiter and I've doubled it up and tucked it into the helmet, and it's down around my neck. So basically blocking wind from coming up under the helmet. Do I want to go all the way into Abbotsford? Why not? I'm just going to cruise now, people. Hi. I have cash. I don't know what the hell you're selling, but I have cash. If it's cold beer, I'd stop and buy one. Yes, let's go pay the Baratas a visit. The oldest Barata has got a birthday today. Oh, I love visiting those guys. It's highly chaotic experience. Highly chaotic, but in a good way. Because you can feel the love. But it is chaotic. Boy, that was a good visit. Long overdue. Bye for now. Goodbye. See ya.